Well, welcome back to the channel, fam. Tonight we're in San Mateo, California. This is a cruise night. This happens once or twice a year, I'm not sure. But we're going to be cruising the Camaro tonight. Got the 73 out. Looks like we got a Carmen Ghia in front of us, a 55 Chevy Bel Air to the right, and an old 50s pickup. So I'm just going to slide in here and find a place to park, and I'll get back with you guys when I'm outside. Yeah, there's a lot of different cars. Got a Malibu, WRX, got a Corvair across the street, the baby blue, 442 just passed by. Charger. Yeah, it's a mixed variety. It's a cool little cruise up. A lot of cars turned out. Little surf wagon. Bird. Got a Cutlass across the street. With a white top, red with a white top. That's clean, that's wet. Got the Malibu right behind it with the baby blue. Yeah, that's sick. Another Malibu, 70s Malibu. In the primer. Got something weird here. I don't know what this is. I don't even know how to call it. If y'all know what that is, go ahead and comment below, because I don't know what that one is. Maybe a kit car. I'm not sure. Check it from behind. Got the 60s Corvette. Got the C5 behind it. Actually, that's a C6. Nissan 510. My bad, I meant to say Datsun 510. My bad. Falcon. The drop top. Riders, got the S10, some D's. So yeah, it's a cool little event. I don't know how many times they do this. Maybe once, twice a year. I'm not sure. Sound like you got a supercharger underneath that that Mustang, that Fox body. Charger across the street. Motorcycle. Drop top Impala. Rail. Alright, so we're gonna probably hop back in the car and drive some more. We're just posted up back here in the cuts. I like this Plymouth though. I wanted to take a look at this shit. This shit is fucking clean. It's got the wing and everything. It's just sick.
Conversion, dude.
I did it myself.
Do it yourself?
Yeah, it's all homemade. Which one's yours?
Oh, mine's a Camaro.
Huh?
Mine's all original.
Oh, okay.
That's hers. Her Superbird.
Oh, that's nice. What year is that? 69 or
70.
Oh, 70. Nice. I like it. It's whose is that one?
What's that?
Oh, hers.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Nice. I like your Camaro. Mine's still work in progress.
No, man, dude, I like it. That's a 70, right?
Huh?
70?
It's a 73.
73?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been shelved for a while. It was my first car, believe it or
Doesn't
not.
matter, dude. You get that thing all dialed in. That's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah.
With a nice paint job on it with the fucking
First car I
LS.
ever drove.
Oh, right on.
I held on to it, sat in the barn for 20 years, hence the rust. So I decided to pull it out and finally get it going
right
again.
on, dude.
So start out with the LS swap.
I'd fuck with this, but it's all original. I'm not. fucking
No,
with
no,
nothing.
you don't want to.
Yeah,
You don't want to butcher it.
you know?
No, no. I already butchered mine in high school though, right? Because I got it at 15.
Yeah, back then you didn't think pulling
No,
out the original
no, no.
motor,
No,
training.
everything
Some guy wants to buy it. Well, you know.
So
it's
it's
like,
been. I went through it. I don't know how many times. It's nothing's original. So I figured might as well LS swap it because
no, it looks
nothing's
good, dude.
original.
I like the wheels too.
Oh, thank you.
Nice.
All right.
All right,
What was your name?
Paul.
Paul?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Right on. You
My
from
name's
San
Brett.
Mateo guy?
What's that?
You from San Mateo?
No, I'm from Hayward.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I got a YouTube channel if you want to check it out.
Oh, right on.
Brett Space Media.
All right.
I do car content if you're interested.
Cool.
All right, man. Take it easy.
Bro, take care,
Yep.
man.
All right, so yeah, just talking to folks, but man, that's a super bird apparently. Not a road runner. So I call it a road runner. But yeah, it's pretty live though. We're just back here in the cuts. Dude that we were talking to had this clean ass Camaro. It's hard to see at night, but man, it's clean. And it's us right here. My little rust bucket. LS swap Camaro out tonight. Finally, for the first time, we're just cruising here on El Camino Boulevard here in San Mateo. Single turbo LS swap 73 Camaro. So I've been meaning to take this out for a minute. I threw some tires on today, but I didn't record it. I apologize for that. Usually I record that sort of thing, but I was just in a hurry to get some tires on the back of it so we could get going. So down here in San Mateo on El Camino, we're just cruising around, checking it out. Stopped by this little spot here just to kind of get a quick little photo shoot with the car away from the crowds, you know what I mean? So check it out, this 73 Camaro. I haven't showed it on the channel at all. You can't really see, but got the interior going in the back. But I really want to paint it first before I put the interior in, so I got these temporary race seats here. But I do have the Holley fuel management and engine management system. So I got the touch screen there. Again, single turbo. This is standard 5.3 liter though, really. So I'm going to get back going, cruise around a little more, and then wrap it up. Hopefully you guys like what you saw today. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get at least up to 200 subscribers, so come on, try to help me out here. Hook a brother up to subscribe to the channel. I put out fresh content weekly every Monday, so make sure you don't miss it. Don't sleep on it. Hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss it. But other than that, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.